Meaning of exclusivity.
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 Exclusivity. Exclusivity refers to a situation where a certain group of people or an individual are granted special access to a product, service, or experience that is not available to others. This can be in the form of membership programs, VIP access, or limited edition products. The purpose of exclusivity is often to create a sense of prestige and desirability around a particular brand or offering. By limiting access, it can create a perception of scarcity and increased demand. Exclusivity is regularly used as a marketing tool by luxury brands to appeal to high-end consumers seeking unique and differentiated experiences.